being an adult is just like, it's the ghetto, okay? It's really the ghetto. Hello mamas, welcome back to another weekly vlog. For those that are new, hey girl, my name is Ericarenee. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. So girl, as y'all seen before this clip, I think I'm going to insert it before this clip. As y'all seen before, I went to Target. So I just got back from Target, y'all. I had to go to like a whole nother city, like 45-minute drive, just to go to this other Target because they be having like more stuff. So I got some other pieces, like some home decor. So let me get it together, okay? Let me show y'all what I got. I got some cute stuff and I'm so excited. Like, I'm really excited about these purchases. Period. Alright y'all, so everything I got from Target. I should have recorded. I need to get better with vlogging in public because I be kind of scared, y'all. Like, because people be looking at me and it's just like, what you looking at, you know? But I gotta get better with vlogging in public. So what I got is, first of all, I spent $149. Being an adult is just like, it's the ghetto, okay? It's really the ghetto. So the first things that I got, I wasn't even thinking about getting this until my mom had pointed it out. She was like, this will be cute. So I was like, yeah, you're right, girl, it will be cute. So I ended up getting these placemats. And I just think the color and the texture of these are so freaking cute. So this is how it looks. I hope y'all can see like the texture of it. Yeah, these are really cute and I feel like it really goes with like my color scheme that I have like in my kitchen. And like my rug is kind of this color too, y'all. It's like nudes and browns and stuff like that. I just think it's really cute. So yeah, I just got two of these placemats. I'm not gonna show y'all how it looks like, you know, because yeah, I want to like save it for my apartment tour, my finished apartment tour. Hopefully I can record that within the next couple of months because I still need to get like an end table. I want to get my patio furniture and my room. It's just like little stuff I want to do, y'all, and it's just not there yet. It's not there yet. But yeah, I think this was like $3 for these. Yeah, these were very cheap, like $3, and they're so cute. I love the color. And then I also got this little home decor piece. I'm going to put this in my bedroom on my dresser. This is so cute, y'all. But I just love like nudes. Like, if I could start over, I would definitely get me a nude bed. Because the bed that I have now is gray. It's just not really giving me what I, you know. I just wish I would have got like a nude bed. But this is going to look cute in there because I do have like some whites. So this is from the Hearth and Hand brand with Magnolia. This is super cute, and this is like very much like it's like that dry, like that matte type of feel. It's so cute, and it has these little things right here. I just think this is so cute. And this was like $9.99, period. And then I also got, girl, I got me a new comforter because let me tell you why. The comforter that I have now is white, and honestly, I feel like white just starts to look dingy and just like, it don't be looking cute to me. So I'm just not gonna get with the white anymore. I'm over it. So I end up getting this one right here. And I know y'all are probably thinking, girl, this looks white. But this is not white. This is like a cream color. Yeah. This is like cream. I don't know if y'all can really tell. Can y'all tell? I'm gonna put this together tonight and I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. And I had to get a king size because they didn't have a queen, because my bed is a queen. So I had to get a king, so hopefully it won't be that big. We're going to see. And then this is the last thing I got, y'all. So the last thing I got was this pillow to go on my bed. Girl, they didn't have a second pillow. I need 2 of these. So I'm gonna see if this looks right with the comforter once I make up my bed. I'm gonna see if it looks right. Hopefully it will, so I can like try to find this online and order it online. But do y'all get the vibes I'm going for? Like, do you get the vibes? Like nudes. I like burnt orange colors. This is like a dark, like dark orange. It's just so cute. This pillow is so cute. I cannot wait. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead. Well, first things first, I gotta record a video, y'all. So I'm trying to be on my consistency, you know. I posted a video today. If I didn't say, today is Monday, so I posted a video today. Girl, if you haven't seen that vlog, make sure to check it out, okay? Yeah, so I guess I'm about to record my video, and then I'm going to show you all me putting my stuff together in the room.
And there's nothing better. What the hell? I'm pissed for me. They were waiting for you, waste and find the time. It's all by your side. You got it, took too long to get it. You got it, took too long to get it. You got it, took too long to get it.
Y'all, this, bam, I'm just so annoyed because, okay, so this is how it looks, y'all. The color is not really coming up on camera, but it's like this cream color. I thought the color is cute, but this comforter is too big, of course, because like I told y'all, I had got a king instead of a queen because they didn't have any queen sizes. And I had looked online and they don't have any queen sizes either, so it's like too big. Like the bottoms is just like very, let me show y'all. The bottom of it is just touching the floor. It's just too long. So yeah, girl, I'm probably gonna have to return this because it's just too long. It's too big. So, but other than that, I really did like the color. And let me get this pillow. Oh Lord. Let me get this pillow right quick, y'all. And I don't even think the pillow will look right, to be honest, either, with that color. So I'm gonna have to return this pillow too, y'all. Like, this is so sad. This is so sad, y'all. Because I really wanted a new comforter and I was so excited. It's like when you get excited about stuff, it don't be going right. Let me show y'all. So that's the pillow. What y'all think? I don't know. I might have to go online and find a different comforter and then just return this. I think I'm going to do that tonight. Look for another one. I feel like the pillow looks cute. I don't know. Y'all let me know down below, because sometimes what you think look good, it don't be looking good. I don't know, y'all. I wish I could really get the color of this. It's just like cream. So yeah, let me know down below, y'all. And these curtains are not what I'm keeping. They're just up there for the meantime. They look a hot mess. Girl, I know. Let me try to back up and see. I feel like that's cute. Oh, I just wish this fit. It's so annoying. Yeah, that's so annoying. So I'm about to look online tonight and see what I can find. Hopefully I can find a queen size. We about to see. But yeah, girl, this is the update. I done already recorded my 2 little videos. And yeah, I'm about to look on Target. And then I guess I'll see y'all tomorrow, because I'm about to wrap this on up, because I'm going to have to take it back tomorrow. I'm going to see y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all, so it's the next day. So today is Wednesday, October the 13th, girl. So yeah, right now I'm heading to Homegoods. Let me tell y'all, so I think I last left off talking to y'all when I was showing you all what I got from Target, my little comforter set that I got from Target. So girl, I ended up returning that back to Target because it was just too big. Like, I have a queen bed and that comforter set was a king. I don't know why I thought I could get away with that, but anyway, it was too big. Target didn't have a queen size, y'all, so I had to just return everything that I had got. So I'm heading to Homegoods because I really want to finish like decorating my place, y'all. I just feel like my place is just so boring and bland. Like, it's just not cute to me. So I just want to like finish decorating. So I ordered my end table today from Target. I was gonna get my end table from CB2, but girl, it was was on back order, I think, until like December. I'm just like, we don't have time for that, okay? So I got my end table from Target, and it's supposed to be here next week. Hallelujah, hallelujah, okay? That's what I like. Give me my stuff quick, okay? So yeah, I got my end table from there, and I'm gonna order some stuff off Amazon. That's probably gonna be like in my next vlog. I'm just basically just gonna be showing you all like how, you know, my stuff look and all that. So if you're not subscribed, girl, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. So yeah, my goal today is to find me a comforter set. I really want like a nude or cream comforter looking set, and then I want to find some pillows to go on my bed. If I find a comforter set, I'm gonna find some pillows. Yeah, my battery is dying, so annoying. And then I really want to find like a really big vase to go into my living room because I want to get some pampas grass. Girl, it's just a whole lot. Like, I'm gonna see y'all once I get to Homegoods because I'm about to pull up. You're annoying. Hey girl, so y'all don't be mad at me, but I did not record in Homegoods. Girl, it was nothing to record because they didn't have anything. So yeah, I did not get anything, y'all. Like, it's so annoying. I hate when I'm like looking for something and they don't have it. Like when I'm ready to spend some money, I can't find what I need. So girl, they didn't have any cute comforter sets at all in the color that I wanted. Let me know down below what's some places to go to get some comforter sets that's not like too expensive, because I'm not paying $200, $120, $150. No, we're not doing all that, okay? I just want a comforter. It don't even have to be a set. Just give me a comforter, okay? Because I already have, like, you know, sheets and stuff. I just want to change out my comforter because I just want a different color. So they didn't have any comforters. I had found one cute vase, y'all. It was cute. Let me show y'all, because I don't think I'm going to put it in the I think I'm going to use it for my thumbnail. I'm not sure, but they had this really cute vase. No, but y'all see that little ugly wrapping around it? That was glued on the vase. So I was thinking that I could just take that off, but the more that I looked at it, the more that I saw the actual glue on the glass. So I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna be able to get this. So I ended up putting that back. Girl, it's just a whole lot. Okay, I'm stressed out. I'm over here eating my little vegetable pizza. I'm just so stressed. Like, oh, so annoying. So we're back at square one. Like, yeah, this is why my place is not finished, because I just be feeling so annoyed. I just stopped shopping for a while just to gather my thoughts. It's just so annoying, y'all. But yeah, so like I said, my little end table from Target is supposed to be coming next week on the 20th. So yeah, I don't have that long because today is the 13th. And then I want to get me a little picture to go on top of my dresser. Yeah, so I'm going to order that, but I need to measure where I want to put the picture at first, because I'm trying to block. Let me show y'all, matter of fact, in case y'all don't remember how it looks. Let me give y'all the deets. This is how my dresser is looking. Don't mind everything just scattered on here, but y'all see that gray thing back there? I want to get a picture to cover that, so I need to like measure to make sure that the picture is going to be big enough to cover this little thing right here, because this is not cute. So yeah, I'm gonna order me a picture this week. I need to get some measuring tape. And then y'all, how cute is this? I showed y'all this in the beginning. So cute. I really do like that a lot. So yeah, girl, this is how it's looking. I just need to get rid of all this that's up here. Girl, I just be getting so inspired by looking at everybody else's like apartment tours and how they be having stuff. I just be like, girl, like, I need to get my place together because I want to do an apartment tour. But what furniture do I have? Like, I need to get my stuff together. So I'm trying not to be so wishy-washy. That's like one of my main problems. Like, I'll buy something, I'll like it, and then like next week I won't like it. So yeah, girl. So I think I'm going to end this vlog off right here, y'all, because, girl, it's just too much for me. It's too much for me. Because I really want to, like, record when I get, like, my decor pieces, like, when my end table comes, and then I'm going to order my things and I want to decorate it with. off of Amazon. And honestly, I've been thinking about getting some stuff off of H&M. They have some really cute like decor pieces as well. So yeah, girl, I'm gonna pick up this vlog in the next, well, I'm gonna pick up where we're leaving off right here for another vlog. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl so you won't miss out on any of my uploads. And yeah, I guess I'll catch y'all in the next vlog. Peace.